Welcome aboard, boat lovers. This is Sir Boat's Yacht, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting urban marine innovations on the horizon, the CIT-E Ferry. A futuristic concept designed to redefine public transport on the water, clean, quiet, and ultra-modern. So, grab your life jackets, or maybe just your curiosity, and let's cruise into the future of electric ferries. The CIT-E Ferry isn't just a boat, it's a vision. A zero-emission, fully electric urban ferry designed to glide through city harbors and canals, offering a smooth and sustainable ride. Originally conceptualized by designers like Callum and Artemis Technologies, it blends sleek automotive styling with maritime innovation. Think, luxury yacht meets eco-friendly commuter train.
Let's talk about the design. Futuristic silhouette with sharp lines, aerodynamic profile, and panoramic glass windows. It looks like a cross between a spaceship and a Scandinavian lounge.
Electric propulsion means no rumbling engines or exhaust fumes. This baby runs silently on battery power, with a cruising speed around 25 knots. Some models integrate hydrofoils to lift the hull above water, reducing drag and making the ride smoother and faster. Roofs embedded with solar panels help top up energy needs and support onboard systems. Inside, it's a floating smart lounge, minimalist seating, touchscreen info panels, Wi-Fi connectivity, and LED mood lighting. Let's geek out for a second. Length is typically around 18 to 24 meters. Capacity ranges from 50 to 100 passengers. It runs on a lithium-ion battery system with fast charging capabilities at docking stations. Ranges up to 80 nautical miles on a full charge. Emissions? Zero. That's right, zero. And get this. Some designs feature autonomous navigation systems. So we're talking about self-driving ferries on the water. Now here's the real kicker. The CIT-E Ferry isn't just futuristic eye candy, it's a climate solution. Cities like Stockholm, Amsterdam, and Vancouver are eyeing these vessels to cut emissions, reduce noise pollution, and even replace buses in certain coastal zones. And with waterways often underused in cities, CIT-E ferries could ease urban congestion in a whole new way. It's not just innovation, it's reinvention. Projects like this don't just appear out of thin air. Key players include Artemis Technologies in the UK, known for zero-emission marine tech, Callum, an automotive design studio that gave the CIT-E ferry its spaceship meets speedboat aesthetic, and public transport authorities and environmental agencies pushing the adoption. There's real momentum here. Governments and private companies are funding trials, building prototypes, and even plotting out ferry routes for future deployment. The CIT-E ferry is part of a bigger wave, the electrification of public marine transport. We're seeing floating bus stops, autonomous water taxis, and modular ferry terminals with smart docking. The CIT-E isn't alone. It's leading a fleet of future-forward vessels that could make our cities greener, quieter, and more connected. And who knows, in a few years, your morning commute might just involve gliding over glassy waters with a coffee in hand. No traffic in sight. So, what do you think? Would you trade a crowded subway for a ride on the CIT-E ferry? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a voyage with Sir Boat's Yacht. Until next time, smooth sailing, and stay curious.